There's a magical island unlike any other on Earth. Less than 1/4 of a square mile, Isla Rasa is so small, it's difficult to find on a map. But some creatures don't need a map. Generations of seabirds have found their way to this enchanted Isle of Eden, in the heart of Mexico's Gulf of California. For 3 months every spring, this flat and barren rock comes to life, as over 500,000 birds gather on one tiny island to multiply. Soon, hundreds of thousands of chicks will greet the world head-on. Learn how to live. Struggle to survive. Stretch their wings. And take to the sky. A bird's eye view of the circle of life.